Oh no! What are you doing outside? Good morning and welcome back to the channel. I will now go to the ferry. So I have 27 kilometers to the ferry. As you can see, I have a new jacket. I paid a lot of money for it. The clothes I used before weren't waterproof anymore, so I had to get something new. Finally I will be able to talk to people because I wasn't here in Spain at all. I wasn't in Portugal. I'm not really capable of talking in French, so that will be a change. I'm super happy to go to Ireland today. That is so great. Pre-check-in area. Hola. For the Ireland ferry, Britta? Yes? Left. Okay, thank you. Have to follow this guy. That was easy. Why is there this completely empty lane?
Speed is in the front of the roof.
Okay. Okay, 42. It's okay. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay. Oh, that is good. As a motorcycle you can just go through. Is it here? Go. Yes. Go up. Oh, there are the motorcycles. So I'm on the ferry in my cabin and I wanted to show you the map I bought. Here we have France, where I studied in Grenoble, and then I drove all the way down to Andorra and all the way down here in Spain, Gibraltar and Algeciras, where I went to Morocco, and then I went back in the south of Spain. I did a lot of riding, and then I drove to Portugal and checked out the coast, and then I started the AC3 track and stopped here at Evora and Lisbon and got back on the track, did the whole ACT track until Bragança. Then I had my last day in Portugal, where I crossed the border back into Spain. Was some time in the National Park Picos de Europa, and now I'm on the ferry which goes from Bilbao all the way up close to Wexford, I guess. Rosslare is not on the map, but I will end up somewhere here. So that is actually the plan, to take the Wild Atlantic Way, it is called, all the way up in Ireland. But yeah, that will take some time. These are the next steps, and then I will cross at some point into the United Kingdom. Well, it's funny, I ordered this map online because I checked many shops, but I only could buy small maps of like Spain, Portugal or so. That's why I ordered a Europe map online and they cut all the northern countries. It ends in the middle of Norway, Sweden and Finland. Perfect. So yeah, I won't have a map there as well, or I need to buy one. But so far I can show you my route. Yeah, I have to wait another 24 hours until the ferry will reach the port. Then I can continue on the wrong side of the road to ride through Ireland. That is so amazing. I'll just sneak in here. Thank you, mate. So excited. I can't get over it. I'm in Ireland. Oh my goodness. So it's a roundabout, they ride it the wrong way. Oh, this is so strange. I was stopped right here already because I need to find some place where I want to go now. So I put the National Park Wicklow in my navigation. I have to start on this lane. Oh, that feels so different. And then I have to exit here. Oh my goodness. They still have arrows on the road, but I don't think they will keep them. Well, isn't that insane? This is actually the 5th country I'm now traveling to. I have never been before. So I was never before in Spain, in Portugal, in Andorra, in Morocco, and now Ireland. And I think that is so amazing. If you have a bike or a car or whatever, you can just go and explore everything. That is so cool. Especially if you're from Europe, you can just go for it. That is so amazing. I love it. That is so cool to be here. That is so cool. Oh wow. Oh. Beautiful. Oh, that's so nice. Oh no, I should have turned here. Yeah. Damn it. I wanted to see the castle. Look at that. That's a roundabout. I'll just go there for a second. Look at that. That's cute. Oh, that is really nice, this village. It's really beautiful. A short sightseeing tour here, and now we can go back on the road. It's really beautiful though. Wow. I love these shops, have all a different kind of design. They look so cute. I'll just go down here. The Irish weather. Oh man. I'll test my new trousers now. So, well, I see myself sweating now in the sun. Unbelievable. No, it's still raining. It's okay. All the time when there are people in their backyard, they wave to you. That's so nice. They all smile and be like, hello. I've never had that before. Oh no. Oh no. What are you doing outside? Oh, that's a nice river. Oh, look at them. Hello. And look how beautiful that is. Wow. Oh, there's a sheep. Hello. They're so cute. Hello. Sorry. That looks incredible. I left the helmet on because it's so windy and so cold. I was like, no, I just keep the helmet on. So now you can follow me flying my drone. Look, there it is. And it's already moving because of the wind. So now we can look a bit down and go up. I'm limited to 120 meters, and you see that here how far up I went, and there it is, high wind speed, so the drone cannot get back here by itself. I have to do it manual. We'll just go for a short round and look at this. So beautiful, huh? I'm at 89, 90, 91 meters. $115, and now
maximum flight altitude reached.
Now it tells me that I can't go even higher. It's barely moving. Oh, the wind is really strong. Cannot go into this direction. That is insane. I never had that before. So in that case I will just return, because there is a lot of wind. Straight out, there's my position, you see, right here. I'll just go down. Yeah, that wasn't too nice, but I think it's just too windy. I completely put it forward, but I wasn't able to go. It's stuck at 190. At this point it doesn't really make sense, huh? So this is the moment I really have to pay attention to, because usually I would just turn and go on the right lane. So now I have to check that there is no one coming and then go on the left lane. Oh, just look at that. There's the river. Wow, that is so beautiful. That is such a nice river. Wow. Small waterfalls. That is amazing. So I'm in the Wicklow National Park. But I saw a picture of a lake. I'll check tomorrow if that was the lake I was before, or if there's another one. I think there's another one. Do you stay there if I come by? I don't think so. Yeah, they will run away. But I wanted to show you the river. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful river? That is so nice. What a beautiful place. river. That is so beautiful. Food on the left, but it's not here. B&B Lodge. Oh, that looks expensive again. I think that is too expensive. Just look at that. Oh no, never. I can never afford that. Maybe we can ask at this one. Looks smaller. It's quite hard to find anything here. So the lady had a place for me and I'm now in this B&B, which is very nice but super expensive. I can show you for a second. So it's a really tiny bathroom here, shower and toilet, and it's the rest of it. I will show you where I went today. I got on the ferry in Bilbao, which took me all the way up here to Ireland, and then I drove today this part up to Wicklow. It was something about 220 kilometers, not too far, but I left the ferry at 3 p.m, so there was not that much time, and I survived the first day on the left side of the road. That was it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and see you for the next episode. Bye. Oh, I didn't. Are you stupid? You're stupid. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, I'm completely stupid today. Well, at least I had two on. Okay. That was interesting. Never forgot that before.